Hello students, in today's class we are going to understand balancing of chemical reaction. So whenever any chemical reaction is given, the first difficult task is to balance a certain chemical reaction. So let's say I will give you one example. I am writing the reaction of combustion of hydrocarbons. Combustion reaction of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means, let's say you can say example methane, ethane, like that. So let's say I'll take the example of ethane. So whenever we are saying combustion reaction, that means reaction with oxygen. So let's say I am writing C2H6 is going to burn in presence of oxygen, will give CO2 and H2. So you have to remember, whenever any, let's say, hydrocarbon we are going to combust, we will be getting CO2, CO2 gas and H2O liquid at 298 Kelvin. So this is standard form. C2H6 will react with oxygen to form CO2 and H2O. Now another challenge is that what is the stoichiometry over here, right? So we have to understand ki how many, let's say, moles of CO2 is going to form, how many moles of H2O is going to form. So how we are going to, let's say, understand over here. So whenever we have to, let's say, balance a reaction, we need to look how many atoms at the left hand side. The number of atoms at the left hand side of any species is going to be similar to the number of atoms right hand side. Means जितने number of atoms कार्बन के एज ए रिएक्टेंट होंगे उतने ही नंबर ऑफ एटम्स कार्बन के एज ए प्रोडक्ट होंगे, बिकॉज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज नथिंग बट जस्ट अ रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ एटम. अभी ये दो कार्बन हाइड्रोजन के साथ घूम रहे थे, अब यहाँ पे कार्बन जो है ऑक्सीजन के साथ घूमने लग गया, राइट. सो ओवर हियर इन एनी केमिकल रिएक्शन एटम्स आर गोइंग टू रीअरेंज. So now we have to see how many atoms are going to be carbon at the left hand side. So we can see number of carbon at the left hand side is 2. So if we have to balance, let's say, carbon over here, we need to check where is the carbon over here. So we can see carbon in CO2. So we need to write 2 over here. Now we can say, okay, number of carbon are balanced. Now whenever we are balancing, we always have to check कि जो एटम, जो एलिमेंट सबसे कम में हो, है ना, सबसे कम लेट्स से एलिमेंट सब्सटेंस में प्रेजेंट हो, उनको पहले बैलेंस करते हैं. सो वी कैन सी कार्बन जो है वो बस केवल यहीं पर है. नाउ वी हैव टू थिंक वी आर गोइंग टू लेट्स से बैलेंस हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन. सो हाइड्रोजन का केवल और केवल एक ही प्रोडक्ट है, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू बैलेंस हाइड्रोजन फर्स्ट. सो वी कैन सी ओवर हियर 6 हाइड्रोजन्स आर देयर, ओवर हियर 2 हाइड्रोजन्स आर देयर. वी वांट टू मेक इट 6 so that the number of hydrogens are going to be same. So that's why we have to multiply it by 3. Now carbon is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is not balanced. So we have to balance it. Now we have to look कि ऑक्सीजन का सोर्स क्या है, केवल O2 ही है और कहीं पे ऑक्सीजन यहाँ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कहीं पर नहीं है. प्रोडक्ट में ऑक्सीजन कहाँ पे है, CO2 and H2O. So we need to write how many oxygen atoms are over here. Oxygen atoms are 4 oxygen atoms are here and 3 oxygen atoms are here. So total we can see 7 oxygen atoms. So we need to have 7 oxygen atoms over here. But यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन एज ए एटम नहीं लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन एज ए मॉलिक्यूल लिखा है. मतलब 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स को एक पैकेट बना दिया है, बंडल बना दिया है ना. 7 ऑक्सीजन एटम को अगर हम बंडल बनाएंगे, राइट, तो कितने बंडल बनेंगे. एक जैसे किसी को बोला जाए कि 7 टॉफ़ी हैं, 7 चॉकलेट्स हैं और 2 चॉकलेट्स को एक बंडल बना रहे हैं, तो कितना आएगा 3.5 या 7/2. सो हेंस द रिएक्शन ओवर हियर इज गोइंग टू बी C2H6 react with 7/2 O2 to form 2 CO2 plus 3 H2O. This is a balanced reaction. And just to avoid the fraction over here, we can multiply whole reaction by 2 in the end. So that's why we can write finally 2C2H6 plus 7O2 gives 4CO2 plus 6H2O. So this is the balancing of a reaction. I'll give one more example. Okay. So again, I will summarize. We have to balance each and every element. We have to see how many atoms are at the left hand side, how many atoms at the right hand side. If total number of atoms at the left hand side of a particular element is 4, then at the right hand side it is also going to be 4. ठीक है. So you can just cross check whether all the elements are at the left hand side and right hand sides are same or not. Let's say I will write one more example. So let's say one more example is with over here NH3 reacts with O2 to form NO plus H2O. This reaction is used in manufacturing of HNO3. Okay. Now you have to balance this reaction. So how we are going to balance it? Okay. So first we need to see how many elements are at the product side and the reactant side. So reactant side we can see nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. We have to balance all these three. So we can see the nitrogen is 1 and the nitrogen over here is 1. So nitrogen is balanced. How many hydrogens are there? 3. How many over here? 2. So how we can make 3 over here? If we are going to multiply, 2 are there. So let me tell me by which factor we are going to, let's say x we are going to multiply so that we are going to make it 3. So x is going to be 3 by 2. So we will multiply over here 3 by 2. So now you can see nitrogen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Now let's balance oxygen. कैसे करेंगे बैलेंस ऑक्सीजन को? तो पहले देखेंगे यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन कितने हैं. वी कैन सी 1 ऑक्सीजन प्लस वी कैन सी 3 by 2 ऑक्सीजन. सो टोटल इज गोइंग टू बी 5 by 2 ऑक्सीजन. अगेन वो पैकेट वाला कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट. यू कैन सी 2 ऑक्सीजन्स ओवर हियर. आपको टोटल 5 by 2 2.5 ऑक्सीजन एटम मिले हैं, है ना. अभी 2.5 चॉकलेट्स हैं, उनके बंडल बनाने हैं, राइट. जहाँ पे 2 चॉकलेट एक साथ रखनी है, राइट. सो 5 by 2 इज गोइंग टू बिकम 5 by 4 ओवर हियर. नाउ वी नो दिस इज इन फ्रिक्शन, so we are going to multiply it by 2 or 4. So we are going to multiply 4 because we have to eliminate this. So let's say multiply it by 4. So what is going to be reaction? 4NH3 plus 5O2 is going to form 4NO plus 6H2. So this is a balanced reaction. Okay. So that's how we are going to balance chemical reaction. I'll give you one more example. And this example is a little bit difficult. So let's say somewhere it is written as A plus BO3. Just assume A is one element and BO3, this is another, let's say substance, is going to form A3O4 plus B2O3. Okay. So now we have to, let's say, balance this. How we are going to balance over here? And I will tell you the problem over here. So let's say first we are going to balance A. So this is going to be 3A. If we are going to balance B, so this is going to be over here 2B, right. Now if you are going to calculate number of oxygen atom, you can see 6 over here and you are going to see 4 plus 3 7 over here. So it is not going to balance. Now this is the problem that we cannot assume over here 1, we cannot assume over here 1, and that's why this is not getting balanced, क्योंकि हमने एक एक मान लिया है. तो अब ऐसे रिएक्शन में क्या करना है? जब ऐसे सिंपली बैलेंस नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, जैसे अभी तक ये दोनों एग्जाम्पल में क्या हो रहा था, वी कैन अज्यूम इट एंड वी कैन सिंपली बैलेंस, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही थी. बट ऐसा जब भी होगा तो फिर क्या करना है? वी कैन नॉट अज्यूम इट इज 1, we have to assume, let's say, x and y. Okay, we are going to assume x and y. So let's say if it is x, over here it is going to become 3x. If it is y, so y into 2, how many b are there, है ना, एक मॉलिक्यूल में 2 हैं, y मॉलिक्यूल्स में 2y हो जाएंगे. So over here 2y. Now you need to check how many oxygens are left hand side, because those number of oxygens at the left hand side is equals to number of oxygen at right hand side. So how many oxygens are here? 2y into 3, 6y oxygen atom. How many are here? That is equals to 4x, 4 into x, 4x plus 3y. So now you are able to build a relation, right? Because this 3y is going to come this side, so 3y will become 4x. So now you know a relation that x divided by y is going to be 3 by 4. Okay, that means in a simple way we can say x is going to be 3 and y is going to be 4, right? So if we are going to replace x with 3 and y is with 4, the reaction is going to be 3 into 3, 9, and 2 into 4, that is 8. Now you can see the reaction is balanced over here. So we are going to just cross check. 9a, 3 into 3, 9a, 4 into 2, 8b, so we can say 8b, 8 into 3, 24 oxygen, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 12, 24. Okay, that's how this reaction is balanced.